Hello, 안녕하세요. This is by your house. Alright, welcome. We got a really cool area today. We're in a condominium unit. Really cool, we got the skylights up top and we're on the top story of this beautiful complex. Also the surrounding area is really beautiful as well. But let's go ahead and take a look. This condo is really surprising in size and it's decorated really well as well. And it's a perfect little area to be in. So let's go take a look. In a really fancy area of town, and this condo is really neat. You can see it behind me in the background. We're already inside, but just a really beautiful area, and it has a great view of just like the nature part of Eugene, Oregon. We have what we call the Delta Ponds, and right across from this complex, there's a really nice bike path. We call it bike path or a walkway. And you can walk around the little ponds here. It has a lot of wildlife and a really neat area. But when we first walk in here, we got our awesome restroom here. Full restroom actually. And it looks like the person before may have renovated a little bit. Got the stone countertops and then really neat litter box tile for the shower. Also, the washer and dryer are back tucked away in here as well. You can see that. So, utilize the space really well in this condo. I'm taller than 5 foot. That's nice. And living room. This is a really nice, really sizable living room for a condominium. Really beautiful. It's got the fireplace there also. And I like that addition, as well as she made this into a piano room. It can also be another lounge room, entertainment room, or a cat room. We have a little cat there. She's got a fancy piano, the previous owner here. And my little piano. But living room has, hey Helen. Really awesome, like I said before. Like I said before, this is the patio. One of the patios, there's actually two in this condominium, but this is the first one from the living room. And you can see, you can't see the ponds right now, there's some trees around it, but really awesome area to walk in and really, really neat area of town. This condominium is in a really neat location in town, kind of in the center of town, so you can get downtown Eugene pretty easily. You can get into the interstate pretty fast if you want to go travel the West Coast. Everywhere is pretty accessible in this area. But continuing on with this condo, we have the living room, or not the living room, excuse me, the dining area, the formal dining area right next to the kitchen. And my favorite part about the kitchen is there's a little window that shows the front of the condo. Lets in a little bit of light as well. There's some skylights in this complex up above. Just really neat. And it looks like she may have renovated also, the previous owner in this area. Looks really clean and really new. Yeah, let's go take a look upstairs. This carpet seems to be new also as well. More windows on this wall. Usually blue doesn't work, but I like this blue accent. I like that. And this is the upstairs, which is the master bedroom. First thing you'll see is the walk-in closet here, really sizable. Perfect for a married couple. And we got the little balcony for the condo, and you can overlook. Really, really neat. Alright, and one of my favorite things about this master bedroom is the master restroom, which we'll go over. But this is the doorway to the patio. If I can get this open. Alright, this is really awesome. Right out of the master bedroom, you have a lounge space on the patio. And it overlooks, besides these trees, you get a good view of the trees, but overlooks the apartment complexes next door and the main street. Part of this condominium. This restroom looks to be brand new, renovated. Besides the trimmings, the door and I believe it's mahogany trimmings are original, but they ripped up the ground and looks like they had tile on the flooring. Really neat, and it just really adds to this restroom, makes it bright and vibrant. She got the stone countertops as well, and I actually like the blue in the background. It looks really interesting and really brings out, makes the bathroom pop. And of course we got the silken tub, just the best feature here. And the restroom, if I can find the light. And we got the shower as well. So really updated and really new. And just the cabinets look like they have been repainted as well. So she did a great job. Alright, 감사합니다. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to like and subscribe, and also turn the notifications on to see when we come out with new videos. We got some awesome houses coming out that we are going to be covering and looking at, and just really neat. So please stay tuned.